Hey guys, welcome to Positive Station. Here we will learn and explore new things. So let's get started with my introduction. My name is Paras and I am pursuing BCA second year. Currently I am working in Tricedia company as an Android developer. I am certified in C, C++, Java, XML and Android. That's all about my intro. Now let's come to the topic which we will cover today. And the topic is how to be a smart developer in school and college. After this video, you will learn the difference between the hard work and smart work, what placement wants from us, how you can handle both work together. How can we prepare for exams? So let's start it. What is hard work? Giving 100% in your work with full dedication, but not in the case of irrelevant things. Then, what is smart work? Doing work with your smartness, with the right balance between hard work and smart work, we can achieve the growth in our career. Let's understand this example. Suppose in a college XYZ, there are two boys, Sharma's boys and Gupta's boy, who pursuing BCA. Both studied well and studied in the same class. Gupta's boy is a bookworm. He has only syllabus knowledge. On the other hand, the Sharma's boy is an average student in college and he also take extra knowledge related to their career other than syllabus. Now, what do you guys think? Which boy does hard work and smart work? Gupta's boy is doing hard work in their syllabus and not doing smart work at all. Sharma's boy doing hard work in extra knowledge and doing smart work in syllabus knowledge. So guys, which one is beneficial? We will talk later. And how Sharma's boy doing smart work in syllabus knowledge? Let's see. By searching previous year question paper so that he knows which is important for his syllabus. So you just need to search important questions according to your paper to achieve better marks. What placement wants? So this is very important to understand, and you should know that what things are asked by interviewer during the interview. So let's understand. Your technical skills like having command in at least one language, not matters whether it is C++ or Java language. Experience if any, like having work experience by doing work for the company. Achievements. So guys, up to certain criteria, college marks are enough for the selection. But your extra knowledge is the most important thing to select in the company. So in my opinion, you should working on your skills firstly before sitting for a company placement. Let's continue with the previous example. After completed BCA, Gupta's boy scored 90% and Sharma's boy scored 70% marks. Both going for the same interview together, but only the Sharma's boy gets selected. Do you know why? The reason is Sharma's boy done hard work and smart work with the right balance. That's why he having all relevant skills which are required for the company. Although Gupta's boy scored 90% in BCA, but he has no technical knowledge and skills for the job, so he rejected. So the conclusion is hard work plus smart work leads to career growth. And guys, think about it, that in every year thousands of students completed BCA. So why a company hires you only? So you have to be unique. So the company chooses you. Be unique, make your image. Thank you.